Where is the worry? It is my people who will guide me, not me who will guide them. So my people are very focused. My supporters are very focused. I will go to any political party which they feel will be the best option.
Ka MLA jong ka Shillong East ka Dr. Amparin Lengdo wat la kampen Pynshai la kan ne haka Congress ne kan Kynthih no shikiwi pat ki party Hajuh ke election MLA ka banlong haus nam Hajar arkolai kala Shillong bet bayakate ka benta ka Shania hakinong kursan kate ka MLA ka badon menta haka jingsha sospon haka Congress rengkat ki saungut kiwi pat ki MLA habakram ki lapat hai khubor ka long bayakate ka rai ka bakhadu kan sashim andala de ka por banjet ka seng ka Biang.
Option number one, which is the Congress, doesn't seem to be in the offing for us because we already have a person who says that he is a Congress candidate in my constituency. So you can imagine the craziness of this election. I'm still in Congress, but we have a Congress candidate in my constituency. So that is the situation that we are in right now. Doesn't matter. Let them do what they like. We go ahead and prepare for the polls as scheduled. The course of action has already been clarified by the MPCC, saying that you are hereby suspended for 3.5 years. Now the question here is, what is the further course of action to take? You have 8 months to elections. So your suspension remains for 3.5 years. So this is the interesting noting to be made. Very strange. So we cannot go back to the Congress, I presume, since they've suspended us for 3.5 years to take the ticket. But the question is that surely we will not remain at home if our supporters still want us to be their representatives. So we will take a future course of action as and when the time is right. The Congress party has not freed us. They have not given us any freedom. They are trying to create complications for us, but it doesn't matter. That is something they are trying to do. We are in a democratic system wherein suspended MLAs can choose to remain suspended. We choose to remain suspended. Speculations about where we're going, we leave that to our supporters, because all 5 of us are in conversation with our respective supporters. Nothing is to be said officially. We await the expulsion, but if the expulsion is never going to happen, then let's see, after 3.5 years we may rejoin the Congress. But in between comes an election. Where we go to the election will be our choice.